Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering database tasks in DBMS. Guys, I have uploaded complete DBMS subject tutorials. I'll provide link in description, you can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. A database management system performs several tasks related to managing databases. These are various tasks. First one is data definition. Data definition is nothing but defining structure of database, like how many tables we need to insert inside database, how many fields we need to insert inside table. Fields are nothing but columns. How many columns we need to insert inside table, and relationship between tables, like we need to relate one table with another table and so on. All this comes under data definition, and we also call this data definition as schema definition. Schema is nothing but structured representation of data in database is known as schema. For example, if you consider in database we will insert data in tables, so we call the table as schema. And second one is data manipulation. The name itself says manipulation is nothing but modification, like inserting data, updating data, deleting data and also retrieving data. All these are data manipulation tasks. In order to create, update or delete data, we need to write queries. So we also call it as query processing. Third task is data retrieval. The DBMS provides a query language that allows users to retrieve data from the database. The most common query language used in DBMS is SQL, that is structured query language. For example, let us consider this is CSC student table. Now I want to identify marks of the student whose roll number is 35. So for that purpose, I need to write query by using structured query language. So just I am writing here command, that is select star from table name, that is CSC student, where column name, that is roll number equal to 35. So whenever I run this code, it will display data of student whose roll number is 35. So I'll get output 35, Ravi and marks 25. Fourth task is data security. The DBMS provides mechanism to ensure data security and prevent unauthorized access to the database. Guys, for database management system software, we can give password. So only person with password can access this database. And also we can give various access permission to various users. And fifth task is data integrity. For example, I want to create one table by integrating various tables. So even though if you integrate data from various tables, data will be correct. And sixth task is backup and recovery. Backup is nothing but whatever the data that is present in database, we will store multiple copies of the data. So even though if any data loss or data corruption occurs, then we can restore data very easily. Recovery is nothing but restoring data. Seventh task is concurrency control. Database management system ensures that multiple users can access the database simultaneously without conflicts. Guys, not only single user, there are multiple users who will use single database at a time. So even though if multiple users use single database at a time, then this database management system can handle multiple users without any problem. By using this locking and transaction management, we can handle multiple users.